The DX300 degree rotation device consists of an axial piston motor and a two-stage planetary reduction gear. The motor and reducer are bolted to the main frame. The reducer's output gear meshes with the slewing bearing fixed to the chassis. Through the relative rotation between the reducer's output gear and the slewing bearing, relative rotation between the main frame and chassis is achieved. The slewing motor mainly includes the motor housing, motor end cover, or in the relief valve, anti-reversal valve, makeup check valve, valve plate, brake spring, motor cylinder block assembly, center shaft, swash plate, brake fire, separator plate, friction plate. The housing has vents, speed control valve spool, brake release valve spool, S and H ports, P and G ports, among other components. The reducer consists of an input shaft, a two-stage planetary gear reduction mechanism, an output shaft, a reducer housing, an output gear, and corresponding bearings and seals.